My name is Anurag Agrawal, and we are starting with step number one once again. All those who are going to join me, make haste, because from today I shall tell you, teach you that how I learned speaking English. And I did not learn through with the help of grammar, tenses, or vocabulary. I improved myself with the help of IGO Yugo technique. It's amazing. So be there, and I shall start in a couple of minutes. Be prepared and always tell yourself that languages are never spoken by reading books. Oh, thank you very much. Yep. Thanks. Language you never learn by watching people, by reading books, or by watching English movies. When you watch people speaking English, that only increases your awareness, but you do not make yourself a good speaker in English. So for speaking English, you have to start speaking. So let's start now. So we are starting with step number one. There are 70 steps. Step number one. There are 6 pronouns: I, you, they, he, she, and we. So this is I, this is you. They are at the back. He's on the left, she's on the right, and that makes we, right? So I go. Go with me, speak with me, otherwise you will forget. Okay, you may forget, so start doing right. Okay, so I go, you go, they go, he goes, she goes, we go. Right? I shall repeat: I go, you go, they go, he goes, she goes, we go. In Hindi, मैं जाता हूं, तुम जाते हो, वो जाते हैं, वो जाता है, वो जाती है, हम जाते हैं. This is beginning. This is ABCD of the 70 steps. I go, you go. Okay? Don't worry, I'll be very fast in retelling it. Then, I am going, you are going, they are going, he is going, she is going, we are going. मैं जाता हूं, मैं जा रहा हूं, तुम जा रहे हो, वो जा रहे हैं, वो जा रहा है, वो जा रही है, हम जा रहे हैं. If you start learning by the rules, do you know present indefinite tense has about 6 rules? Do you learn language through rules? It's absurd. Do not learn through rules, vyakaran, grammar. Learn speaking, learn language by speaking. Start speaking, you will be very good very soon, right? So let's start from the top. Let's do it very hurriedly, and then I shall start giving you lessons and teaching that how you have to do. So let's complete step number 1 from top to bottom. All right. So I go, you go, they go, he goes, she goes, we go. I'm going, you are going, they are going, he's going, she's going, we are going. I have gone, you have gone, they have gone, he has gone, she has gone, we have gone. I have been going since morning, you have been going since morning, they have been going since morning, he has been going since morning, she has been going since morning, we have been going since morning. I went, you went, they went, he went, she went, we went. I was going, you were going, they were going, he was going, she was going, we were going. I had gone, you had gone, they had gone, he had gone, she had gone, we had gone. I had been going since morning, you had been going since morning, they had been going since morning, he had been going since morning, she had been going since morning, we had been going since morning. I shall go, you will go, they will go, he will go, she will go, we shall go. I shall be going, you will be going, they will be going, he'll be going, she'll be going, we shall be going. I shall have gone, you will have gone, they will have gone, he will have gone, she will have gone, we shall have gone. I shall have been going since morning, you will have been going since morning, they will have been going since morning, he will have been going since morning, she will have been going since morning, we shall have been going since morning. Now listen to me carefully, guys. First of all, you have to make sure. I might have been very, very, very fast because this is how I improved. This what I've been doing for the past 22 years. So I could be very, very, very fast, but you are not going to be fast. Do not be fast. You have to be very clear. Step number 1, from top to bottom, bottom to top. You should not take lesser than 55 seconds and you should not take more than 65 seconds. If you are being very fast, I go, you go, you go, they go, you go, is wrong. If you have been very slow, I go, you go, they go, this also wrong. You have not to be very fast, very slow. Done? Okay? So not lesser than 55, not more than 65, not more than 65. And I shall be giving you steps each time. I'll give you one step from now, a different video of 10 minutes. Each video will be for 10 minutes. You'll be very eager to know what is step number 70th. If you see 70th step, you will not do step number 1, 2, 3, 4 because they are very tough. If you want to eat elephant, do not look at the elephant because you cannot finish elephant. But if you take a bite every day, slowly, gradually, you'll find yourself that you have finished elephant one day. Many a little make a mickle. बूंद बूंद करके घड़ा भरता है. Fine. So you have to eat elephant. The way I'm telling you have to start from step number 1. You may be very good in English, but if you want to have vocabulary, similes, metaphors, rhetorical devices, phrases, idioms, if you want to have, start doing it. And start doing from step number 1. Done? Okay. So look at the gestures first. This is I. You have to thumb your chest. Don't do like this. I, you, don't do you like this. You have to do you like this. This is you. This is they. All right? It should be having an angle of 90 degrees. This is they. He's on the left, as if you're asking for the left. Don't do like this. I go, you go, they go, he goes, she go, we go. I'm going, you are going, they are going, he's going, she's going, we are going. Don't be funny, guys. Okay? So this is he, this is she, and this is Kathak. Up to the shoulder. अब आप कह सकते हैं, you might say, इससे क्या फर्क पड़ता है? इससे फर्क पड़ता है. If you are accurate in these small steps, in these small things, you'll find it's becoming interesting speaking and using this action. You'll burn your calories also. Anyways, it'll be hand exercise, your shoulder movements, your body exercise, but it makes learning very interesting. I'm telling you guys, learning English and getting to the step number 70th will be extremely easy for you. Only if you do the exercises. Only if you do with steps. So do with the steps. Do not be taking a shortcut of lying down and doing this exercise. The best will be if you get up and start doing it. If you get up, that will be best one. If you are not getting up, you should not lie down and do it. Sit down at least. But the best is if you do it while standing up or in the car also you can do. Sit down or get up. These are the best two places you must do this exercise, but you should not lie down. And while lying down, you cannot do actions. I have tried doing it. It was never possible. And do not do it. If you are doing without action, you will get very bored and you will not get back to step number 2, 3, 4, 5 and other steps. This is the shortest way to improve your English. I'm telling you, this is the shortest way. And this technique will take about 3 to 5 months to make yourself very, very, very fluent. If you look into, if you want, I can show you my certificates also that I've flunked during school time. If I can do, why can't you guys do it? Okay, so let's go over step number 1 completely from the top. Okay, so I go, you go, they go, he goes, she goes, we go. I'm going, you are going, they are going, he's going, she's going, we are going. I have gone, you have gone, they have gone, he has gone, she has gone, we have gone. I have been going since morning, you have been going since morning, they have been going since morning, he has been going since morning, she has been going since morning, we have been going since morning. I went, you went, they went, he went, she went, we went. I was going, you were going, they were going, he was going, she was going, we were going, we were. We were nahi, we were. I had gone, don't say I had gone, you had gone, they had gone. Jhatka hai yaar. Huh? I had gone, I had gone, you had gone, they had gone, he had gone, she had gone, we had gone. I had been going since morning. Don't say I had. Well, you can say I had, but I had looks better. Huh? Sounds better. I had gone, I had been going since morning, you had been going since morning, they had been going since morning, he had been going since morning, she had been going since morning, we had been going since morning. That was past tense. Okay? Future is मैं जाऊंगा तुम जाओगे वो जाएंगे वो जाता है वो जाती है हम जाते हैं मैं जा रहा हूँगा तुम जा रहे होंगे वो जा रहे होंगे वो जा रहा होगा वो जा रही होंगे हम जा रहे होंगे मैं जा चुका हूँगा तुम जा चुके हो वो जा चुके होंगे वो जा चुका होगा वो जा चुके होंगे हम जा चुके होंगे मैं सुबह से जा रहा हूँगा तुम सुबह से जा रहे होंगे वो सुबह से जा रहे होंगे वो सुबह से जा रहा होगा वो सुबह से जा रहे होंगे हम सुबह से जा रहे होंगे I shall go, you will go, they will go, he will go, she will go, we shall go. I shall be going, you will be going, they will be going, he will be going, she will be going, we shall be going. Simple. I shall have gone, you will have gone, they will have gone. You have to make it straight. The hinges have to be straight, right? You. So I shall have gone, you will have gone, they will have gone, he will have gone, she will have gone. How's this? Good one? Okay. So that is all for the day. And if you want to do it You want to join me for step number 2 tomorrow. So be there at the same time, and we shall have two workshops. One will be on public speaking, and second will be on English training on this channel, on this very channel, and it will be in English. Right, guys? Bye bye. Shabakar. Be seeing you off Wiedersehen, and see you tomorrow around 2:20. Bye.